Good evening and welcome to 22 News at 6. I'm Barry Krieger. The U.S. Attorney General wants all first responders to carry a drug that can reverse the effects of heroin overdose. 22 News reporter Julie McDonald was in West Springfield today, where firefighters trained to become the first basic life responders in western Massachusetts, equipped with this life-saving medication.
Often by the time we get them in the emergency department, it's usually too late.
It's a public health crisis taking lives across the country. Heroin and prescription painkiller abuse. It's happening in every state, in every community. The number of overdose deaths involving heroin increased 45% between 2006 and 2010. That's according to the White House Office on National Drug Control Policy. Here in Massachusetts, there have been close to 200 deaths involving opiate overdose just since November 1st.
The issue with narcotic overdoses is it's a respiratory depressant. It stops your ability to breathe. And so the sooner you can reverse that and get that person breathing again, the best chance you have.
The West Springfield Fire Department is now the first basic life support provider in Western Mass trained to administer Narcan. That means when their engines arrive at an overdose call, the drug is on their trucks. Firefighters can begin reversing overdose effects even before paramedics get there.
It's going to make differences. It's going to save lives. 30 years ago, this was a, quote, street problem. Now this is a suburban issue. This is an issue that hits very close to home, unfortunately. This is an issue that goes into the nicest neighborhoods in West Springfield.
Narcan buys the patient time until they get to the hospital before the narcotic kicks back in. Westside Fire Chief William Flaherty told 22 News their ALS responders used Narcan 47 times last year. 35 of them were heroin overdoses. Julie McDonald, 22 News.